The shredder-compactor combination 1686 is used wherever the shredding of large quantities of general written material and subsequent volume compacting of the shredded material are required. Depending on the type, the tearing device also takes up and breaks down crumpled material and cardboard in one pass. The space required for the shredder press combination is a length of 2,810 mm, a width of 1,200 mm and a height of 1,550 mm. The power supply connection depends on your local conditions. The total weight of the complete combination can reach approximately 1,326 kilograms. It is imperative that the permitted area loading of the floor is observed. Additional anchoring for the shredder is not required.